Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your GMC Sierra's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues, common in 2019-2023 models with 8-inch or 10-inch touchscreens like MyLink or Infotainment 3.0, are often software related. GMC has released over-the-air updates to fix these glitches, like the 2024.1 update addressing black screens and TSB PI 1851 for no-sound problems, which often requires dealer reprogramming of the infotainment module. For newer 2024 Plus Sierras, the system is generally more stable due to enhanced firmware with error detection. Older models may still experience problems, so always check for the latest updates in your vehicle's settings or on GMC's website. The key concepts include software architecture, which is based on GM's platform prone to bugs. Common causes, such as power supply interruptions or software corruption. And finally, reset procedures. If you encounter issues, start with a soft reset by restarting your vehicle or using the infotainment's power button to clear minor glitches. For more persistent problems, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and reboots. As a last resort, use factory reset through settings to reinstall firmware, but only for severe issues as it requires repairing devices. Most infotainment issues are software related, but if problems persist after resets, hardware failures may require professional diagnosis at a dealership. Trends include more frequent over-the-air updates, AI-driven predictive maintenance in newer models, and growing user demand for reliability. Future outlook involves cloud-based systems with 5G connectivity, enabling real-time fixes and reduced downtime. While infotainment issues remain a top complaint, regular updates and resets can significantly improve the situation. If problems continue, consult a GMC dealership.